Hello guys, welcome back to this video. And this video I'm going to show you how you can create factors of 50. All you have to do is just create an integer and you have to create a while loop. While a is less than or equals to 50, and then you have to write a curly brace, and now you have to write a plus plus semicolon. Now what you have to do is you have to create a while loop. If a remainder 5 equals to 0, you have to write another curly brace, and now you have to write C out a semicolon. You have to close all the brackets, and one thing you can do as well is that you can add space between your answer as well so that they don't come joined. So it is giving me this error. You have to remove the semicolon from here, and if you run this code, as you can see, it is displaying me the multiples of 50. So that's it for the video guys. Make sure to like and subscribe.